Hey, have you heard about the CUI incident that happened in Madrid, Spain in October 2012? Did you know that the company loss was millions of dollars just because of missing one CUI inspection? The FCC unit of the refinery was caught on fire after a 6-inch pipe was ruptured due to CUI at the inner face of an elbow, and eventually 5 tons of fuel gas was released and caught fire. So because of this incident, a large part of the refinery was shut down for quite a while to be repaired. And the only reason for that was the integrity program of the company did not cover the CUI susceptible area during the CUI inspection. So now the question is, are you familiar enough with the concepts of general damaged areas versus susceptible areas for CUI? Do you know how to avoid these types of incidents by inspecting the right percentage of susceptible areas to find those corroded sections in time? We are RBIClue, and we produce new and interesting courses in regards to RBI and corrosion, the courses that you won't find anywhere else. We have just released the comprehensive course called RBI in Corrosion under Insulation, and I strongly recommend you to take this course if you are interested in learning more about RBI and corrosion mechanisms like corrosion under insulation, CUI. If you're interested, you can click on the link below, and it will take you to a page that provides you more information about that course. See you soon.